If you've stumbled upon the term dropshipping and wondered what it means and how you can get involved, you're in the right place. Dropshipping is a business model that has gained a significant amount of attention and popularity in recent years due to its low startup costs and ease of getting started. This video is designed to walk beginners through the basics of dropshipping, offering a comprehensive guide to help you start your dropshipping journey. Whether you're looking to make dropshipping your full-time business or simply exploring it as a side hustle, this guide will provide you with the insights you need to get started. Understanding the dropshipping model. In the dropshipping model, a retailer sells products without stocking them. Upon making a sale, the retailer orders the product from a third-party supplier, who then ships it directly to the customer. This approach eliminates the need for physical inventory and significant upfront investment, making it an accessible option for aspiring entrepreneurs. Key to thriving in this model is identifying a profitable market niche, forging strong relationships with dependable suppliers, and devising strategies to effectively market your online store. Success hinges on understanding the nuances of this model, including managing logistics and ensuring customer satisfaction without direct control over inventory or shipping. It's a model that prioritizes strategic partnerships and marketing acumen over traditional retail responsibilities like stocking and shipping merchandise. Setting up your dropshipping business. Embarking on the journey of establishing a dropshipping business starts with pinpointing a niche that not only sparks your interest but also promises a sufficient demand in the market. The next pivotal step involves selecting an e-commerce platform that will serve as the foundation of your online store. Options like Shopify or WooCommerce are favorites among beginners for their user-friendly interfaces and a plethora of design tools, making the process accessible even to those with minimal technical expertise. Beyond the digital storefront, it's imperative to formalize your business by deciding on its legal structure. This phase includes registering your venture and acquiring any licenses that are necessary to operate legally within your jurisdiction. This groundwork is essential in setting a solid foundation for your dropshipping business, paving the way for the development of strategic supplier relationships and effective marketing strategies discussed in subsequent sections. Finding the right suppliers. Identifying trustworthy suppliers is pivotal in the dropshipping business model. The quality of your suppliers can significantly impact your product offerings, pricing, and customer satisfaction. Platforms such as AliExpress and Salahu are often utilized by dropshippers to discover suppliers who meet their criteria. However, it's also beneficial to directly engage with manufacturers for potentially better terms and insights into their products and operations. Clear and comprehensive communication with potential suppliers is essential to ensure you fully understand their production capabilities, shipping times, and policies on returns and refunds. This step is critical in building a resilient supply chain that supports your store's reputation for quality and reliability. Always vet multiple suppliers to compare their products, services, and reliability to secure the best partnership for your dropshipping venture. Marketing your dropshipping store. To draw potential customers to your online storefront, deploying an array of digital marketing strategies becomes essential. Dive into SEO practices to improve your site's visibility on search engines and leverage PPC advertising for quicker visibility boosts. Email marketing campaigns can nurture leads and convert them into loyal customers, while a strong social media presence connects you directly with your target audience, encouraging engagement and shares. Crafting content that truly speaks to the needs and interests of your audience can significantly drive organic traffic to your store. Additionally, consider orchestrating promotional events and offering special discounts to motivate first-time buyers. This multifaceted approach to marketing is designed not just to attract a broad audience, but to establish a dedicated customer base eager to engage with your dropshipping business. Engaging in these practices thoughtfully will set the stage for sustained growth and brand recognition in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Managing customer service and returns. In the dropshipping model, excellent customer service can differentiate your business and foster customer loyalty. Handling customer inquiries with speed and efficiency, resolving disputes effectively, and processing returns smoothly are key components. Your website should feature a clear and concise return policy that aligns with your supplier's guidelines to ensure consistency and prevent misunderstandings. Implementing a system for tracking customer queries and feedback can help in quickly addressing any concerns, leading to improved customer satisfaction. Consider offering support through multiple channels such as email, phone, and social media to make it easy for customers to reach out. This proactive approach in managing customer service and returns not only builds a positive reputation for your store, but also encourages repeat purchases, contributing to the long-term success of your dropshipping venture. Scaling your dropshipping business. Expanding your dropshipping business requires a strategic approach once you begin to notice a steady flow of sales and have established a solid operational foundation. Consider broadening your product range or venturing into untapped markets to capture new customer segments. Intensifying your marketing endeavors can also play a crucial role in driving additional traffic and increasing sales volumes. To streamline your operations for greater efficiency, look into automation solutions for repetitive tasks such as order processing or customer service inquiries. Importantly, it's vital to balance your ambitions for growth with the capacity to sustain high-quality service and product offerings. Exploring partnerships or collaborations may provide opportunities for growth while mitigating risks associated with rapid expansion. Always keep an eye on maintaining a strong supply chain and responsive customer service as you scale, ensuring that your business growth is both sustainable and aligned with your long-term goals. Avoiding common dropshipping mistakes. Navigating the dropshipping landscape can be fraught with potential missteps that deter many newcomers from realizing their full potential. One of the critical errors is the failure to engage in comprehensive market research. Understanding the market demand, competition, and consumer preferences is foundational for success. Similarly, overlooking the quality of the products you offer can tarnish your brand's reputation and customer trust. While it's tempting to focus solely on profitability, maintaining high standards for your product selection is essential. Another oversight is insufficient investment in customer service. In a business model where personal touch is limited, exceptional customer service becomes your front line for building relationships and loyalty. Diversification of your supplier base is also crucial. Relying on a single supplier increases vulnerability to unforeseen disruptions, affecting your ability to fulfill orders. By establishing relationships with multiple suppliers, you mitigate this risk and ensure a more reliable supply chain. Additionally, constant evaluation and refinement of your approach are vital. The dropshipping arena is dynamic. What works today may not tomorrow. Regularly reassessing your strategies ensures you remain responsive to market changes and consumer trends, safeguarding the longevity of your dropshipping venture. Staying informed and adaptable. In the rapidly changing world of e-commerce, maintaining relevance requires a commitment to continual learning and flexibility in your business strategy. Keeping abreast of the latest trends, technologies, and consumer behaviors is indispensable for thriving in the dropshipping domain. Engage actively with online forums, social media groups, and professional networks that focus on e-commerce and dropshipping. Incorporating innovative tools and methodologies can enhance your operational efficiency and marketing reach. Regularly exploring new supplier relationships and diversifying your product portfolio can also safeguard your business against market fluctuations. Embrace the mindset of being a lifelong learner and remain open to experimenting with novel tactics to navigate the complexities of the e-commerce ecosystem successfully. Thanks for watching our guide on dropshipping for beginners. We hope it helped you understand how to start your own dropshipping business. Remember, it takes effort and creativity to succeed in this field. Best of luck with your dropshipping adventure.